students. Today in this video we are going to learn about formatting in Excel worksheet, and we will also learn how to work with all the small features of this formatting worksheet. So over here we will see that we are having this three part: font, alignment and number. These three comes together to form the working of formatting a worksheet. Now what does a formatting a worksheet means? To design your worksheet in a very nice and good manner. So for formatting a worksheet, we will be at first discussing about this font tag. So we all know that the basic font tags or the font group, inside this font group whatever buttons we are having, that we will just check once what is the working of it. Suppose this is the cell that we are selecting. Now if we click on this B, we all know that it makes the letter bold. In the same manner, if I take any text with multiple letters, we will click on B, we see that the text becomes bolder. Similarly, if I press I, it becomes italic. Italic means shifting to its right little bit, and then U for underline. So these three features we all know, it's a basic feature. And if we want to increase the font, we are having two options. Either we can go and click on this button and select any of the font size in this way, or we are also having another option, that is we can click on this A button again to increase it, and according to our choice we will stop, and with this button we can decrease font size according to our choice. Okay, so this is the few buttons that we can see. We all know this is the style by which we can select our different styles of the text, what kind of text style you want to take the text. Over here you can take the style like this. If we want, we can take some different style like this one. So there are thousands of styles available over here. You can download even more style of fonts if you want, and we can choose. Now next we are coming to this border. We will go on discussing about this border button elaborately. Just you come to know that on clicking of this we are going to design the border in a nice manner. And then we are coming to the next button, that is called fill color. Fill color button basically gives you a color at the back of your cell. Like over here I have clicked. Now if I click on this fill color, we see that the text becomes the background of the particular cell become yellow. So by clicking on this arrow, from here we can choose any of the color that we want. If we are satisfied with this color, it's okay. If we are not, then we can go for more colors. The more color will give you so many colors over here. Even if you are not satisfied with this color, if you haven't got the required color, you can go for the custom color and you can choose any of the color. From here you can prepare your own color, the depth of the color, whatever you want, from here you can choose. So from here you can choose any color, that is the background color. Here also, like I'm clicking on this text and choosing a yellow color. Now this one is the text color or font color. So if we click on this font color, we can give a particular color to the font. So from here I can click and choose this red color, or even I can go and click on this arrow and I can choose a blue color like this. So this is up to you. So designing, coloring are all up to you. So this is what we are going to, in this way what we are going to design our text by multiple colors, bold, italic, underline, style, font size with this. Now we are coming to the next part, that is applying border. See, this applying border is a vast concept. From here we can select this entire data that we have written over here. Now we'll do what? We'll click on this arrow button. We will see a lot of data. We can see that lot of way by which you can design your border. So from here we will choose all border. You can see if we choose on this all border, the entire text has been bordered. Now you will say, sir, already these are marked with this kind of borders, then why will I give this kind of this border? See, these are the marks of the row and column. Now when you will print this without giving the border, this mark will not come, and in the blank page only the data will come. Now if you want to print this mark, you have to give the border. Here we are giving the border in this way. So this is what basically a border works. Okay, now after taking this border, all border, we can choose like this. Suppose from here we can choose the outline outside border. So we click on this outside border, even we can get. Now just I'm telling you, you give no border. Okay, no border, I'm giving no border. So no border is there. Now see, selecting the entire, from here we can choose outline outside border. So you can see the outside border has came. So in this way we can choose any of the type that we want. Thick box border, so it's a thick box border. You can see, you can increase the size of the border by simply clicking on this thick border. We can go and give the border size accordingly. Now we are also having some few nice advantages. Now you can see from there only border, bottom border, top border, left, right, no border, all these things are available. So from here also you can do. And also we are having this draw border option. Now using draw border and draw border grid, we can draw the border in a nice manner. Suppose I am clicking on this draw border, it will help you to draw a border like this. See, I am bordering in this manner. Now from here I am bordering like this much. Here I am bordering only. Here I am bordering. So in that way there is no such rule that where you will put the mark. It's up to you. It's up to your requirement that where you will put the border. So this is called draw border. And we are also having one, that is border grid. So draw border grid means it will give you a plus box sign beside. That means you have chosen such kind of grid. So it will not mark only a single, only a grid means it will entirely mark a box, not only the outline of any single box like this. Okay, so this is what we are going to do in this way. So this is known as grid, border, draw border grid. Now if we want to do something more, like if we want to put the line thicker like this, so we will go to more border option, and see, more border options will come from here. You can choose the line that you want to give in this way. So the way you are showing, in that way only it will show the entire thing. So see, I have bordered in this way. So I am choosing any of the part from here. So whatever style you like. Now you choose inside and outside and then click OK. See, the entire, as I have selected this one, it's entirely being bordered with this double line border. See, the entire one is with double line border. So in this way you can change your border style also by your own way. So this is one of the most and very much important manner by which you can choose the border. One more thing you can do, you can change the border color also. So by clicking on this arrow, go to the more border option. Now from here you can see the color is automatic, that is black. Now you can choose any color from here like red, and now you can click on OK. So you see the border will be changing with red color. It didn't apply it because I didn't click on this border part. See, from here automatically you are choosing red, and now you have to choose this inside and outline, so it becomes applied. The border has been applied. Now you click OK. Now you can see that entirely everything is clicked with, marked with red outline. So this is what all about borders. From here you can easily understand that how the border color is being given and how these are actually made for. Now I am taking one big cell, means suppose this cell I am taking. Now I am just increasing the borders box size little bit so that I can make you understand about a very nice thing. So this is the box. Now I am coming to the alignment tab or alignment group. In the alignment group we are having these 6 alignments, which is only possible in Excel. This is not available in Word or any other PowerPoint or like that. In Word or PowerPoint you can only get these 3 types of alignment, but in case of Excel you will get these 6 types of alignment. Now what are these alignments? Suppose I am writing some data over here, like I am writing anything like India. Okay, Now this India is a text, so by default Excel bring the text to the left align. So if I want to bring this India to the right, I will be clicking on this right align. If I want to bring this text to the middle, middle aligned. If I want to bring this India the left aligned, you will be clicking on that left line. Now what is this 3? If you click on this, India will go at the top. If you click on this, India will go at the bottom. By default it is set as bottom, and if you click on this, it will come to the middle. Now if you want to keep this India just in the middle of the box, with all respect, so we'll click on this. See, India is coming at the middle of this box. So this is what the alignment basically means. Okay, so this is what the alignment basically means. Now what are the name of this? This is middle alignment, this is bottom alignment, this is top alignment. Now this one is left aligned or align left, middle align or center. Middle align this one and center this one, and this one is your right aligned. So these 6 buttons I think you have come to know. Now we are coming to a very nice thing, that is orientation. Okay, orientation is also very important. See, this India is there in the middle. Now I want to change the orientation, means India should come cross in this manner. So I will click on this. Now from here I can choose directly angle in this way. So India is coming in this way. You can understand. I don't like this. I want to make India in this manner. So India is coming in this side. Now again you are going to do it vertically. So India is coming in vertical way. As it doesn't fit, so I will increase the size. You can see India is coming in vertical manner. Now rotate text up, so it will come. That India has been coming as a up. You can set it as down, rotate text down, so India is coming in this manner. And at last, if you want to make your own angle, then click on this. I'm sorry, I need to say, click on this format cell alignment. Once you click on format cell alignment, this will come. Now from here you put your text and drag it. Suppose I want to make it in this way, and then click OK. See, India is coming in this manner. It's up to my own choice. It is coming. So this is what orientations do. It basically changes the alignment in this way. These two are indentation, in increase and decrease indentations. You will not understand this until we take some data into it. See, the automatically India is not coming at the very first line of the box. It has given a gap. This is what indentation means. It will give a gap. See, it's going on giving the gap. Similarly, it is decreasing the gap in this way. So this is called indentation gap. Now next we are coming to the text wrap. Now text wrap is a very nice thing. Suppose I am writing India is my country. You can see this India is my country is coming, it's now overlapping to the next cell. Now what to do? If we want to fix this particular text into this box, we will simply go and click on wrap text. If we click on wrap text, see, the entire writing will be fixed into the box. If you don't want to wrap it in this way, click on this, again it will go to the normal way which it was previously. Now again I am going and clicking on the wrap text to make the text within the box. So this is what basically the wrap text work. And next one is merge and center. You can merge the cell, like I am selecting these cells and I am clicking on this merge and center, so that text is coming in the center with every cell is merged over here. So in this way you can merge your cells if it is required, and you can work with merge and center also. Okay, so this is how we are going to deal with all these format, all this form. Now about this merge and center option, we can also do it in this way, like I am selecting all these. Let me select this one, let me deselect this one, just deselect it one. It was previously like this. Now I will select all these. Now I will click on this arrow. It will give you 4 options: merge and center, merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells. So by click on merge cells, it will simply merge, but the data is not there in the middle. You can understand it has merged all these 3 cells, but data is there at the left as like previous. Now I can click on merge and center to make the text in the center. So as I have clicked on this, it has been unmerged. Now again, if I click on arrow and merge and center, if I click, you can see the text are coming in the middle automatically after merging 3 cells. So in this way there are more options: merge across, unmerged cells. If you click on this, the cell will be unmerged like it was previously. So these are the 4 options that we are having to unmerge the cells in this manner. So today's video up to this, I think you have understood all these very simple things. Now in the next video we are going to discuss about the number and more on Excel. Now your task, now it's time to give you a task. You will practice for your practice basically. Now you will design a mark sheet of 5 students with 5 subjects in a tabulation form. So you can understand that here it will be name, all the names, 5 names, and here all the 5 subjects, and here you will write all the marks. And after that you will design your score sheet in that way, like giving the color, background color, text, and giving border color in this way. If you want to draw it like that, you can draw, and then if you want to merge any of the cell at the top, you can merge. So use all these whatever I have taught you today in this video and show it to me in my WhatsApp group. So I hope this class will help you, and so thank you very much and have a nice day.